The P0444 diagnostic trouble code indicates an EVAP Canister Purge valve circuit open. This signals a malfunction in the electrical circuit that controls the purge valve in the vehicle's evaporative emission control system. The purge valve manages fuel vapor flow from the charcoal canister to the engine intake manifold. An open circuit means no electrical continuity, preventing the valve from opening or closing properly. This can lead to issues like rough idle, reduced fuel economy, or a noticeable fuel odor. The EVAP system prevents fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere by storing them in a canister until they're ready to be burned in the engine. The purge valve, controlled by the engine control module or powertrain control module, opens and closes to allow these stored vapors to be drawn into the engine for combustion. The engine control module or powertrain control module sends electrical signals to operate the purge valve, ensuring proper timing and function. The P0444 code specifically points to a fault in the electrical circuit that operates this valve, indicating an open circuit issue. Several factors can trigger a P0444 code. These include faulty purge valve itself, stuck open or closed, wiring problems such as shorts, opens, or corrosion, ECM or PCM issues, though these are rare, environmental damage from moisture or rodents, and less common causes like vacuum leaks or canister clogging. Most cases are electrical, not mechanical. If your vehicle has a P0444 code, you may experience a rough idle, decreased fuel efficiency, a noticeable fuel smell, and the check engine light will be illuminated. These symptoms arise from the improper handling of fuel vapors due to the faulty purge valve circuit. A rough idle means the engine may run unevenly or shake, caused by improper fuel vapor purging affecting engine combustion. Decreased fuel efficiency occurs when the vehicle uses more fuel than usual, as the faulty circuit prevents optimal vapor recovery. A noticeable fuel smell, often a strong gasoline odor, can emanate from the engine area due to unburned vapors escaping. The check engine light will be illuminated on the dashboard, signaling the OBD system has detected the P0444 fault. Start with initial inspection by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0444 diagnostic trouble code. Connect the scanner to the vehicle's diagnostic port under the dashboard. The scanner will display the P0444 code, indicating an EVAP Canister Purge valve circuit open issue. This confirms the fault stored in the vehicle's computer. Once confirmed, clear the code from the scanner menu. This resets the check engine light and erases the fault memory. Take the vehicle for a short test drive, including highway speeds and idling. Monitor for warning lights on the dashboard. After driving, rescan to see if P0444 returns. This step helps determine if the problem is persistent or only occurs intermittently. Now we'll perform a visual inspection of the wiring and connectors associated with the purge valve. This is a crucial step to identify any obvious issues before proceeding to electrical testing. First, locate the purge valve, which is typically found under the hood near the fuel tank. Thoroughly inspect the wiring harness connected to the valve. Look for signs of damage such as cracked insulation, corrosion on connectors, or loose connections that could interrupt the electrical circuit. Examine the purge valve itself and its electrical connectors. Check for any physical damage or corrosion that might affect the valve's operation. Inspect the broader engine compartment for any related wiring or tubing issues that could contribute to the problem. If you find any damaged wiring, corroded connectors, or loose connections, repair them using appropriate tools or replace the faulty components to restore proper electrical continuity. A thorough visual inspection can often identify and resolve the cause of the P0444 code, saving time and avoiding unnecessary replacements. To test the electrical circuit of the purge valve, use a multimeter to check continuity in the wiring, measure resistance of the valve solenoid, and verify voltage when commanded by the ECM. First, check for continuity in the wiring circuit. Connect the multimeter probes to the valve connector pins and ensure there is no open circuit. Next, measure the resistance of the purge valve solenoid when unpowered. It should typically read between 20 and 30 ohms. Finally, test for 12 volts at the valve when the engine control module commands it to open. Lack of continuity, incorrect resistance, or wrong voltage indicates a problem in the circuit or valve. If the electrical tests indicate a faulty purge valve, Begin by disconnecting the battery for safety to prevent electrical issues during replacement. Remove the old valve, which is typically held in place by 2 to 3 bolts in the engine compartment. Install the new purge valve securely, ensuring proper electrical and vacuum connections. After replacement, carefully inspect for any potential vacuum leaks around hoses and connections. If the P0444 code persists after replacing the valve and checking for leaks, further testing of the powertrain control module or charcoal canister may be necessary.